Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check your repost history on Instagram. This feature is useful if you want to see which posts or reels you've reposted before or manage your activity. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for Instagram. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version, so you don't miss this option. After that, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Now, tap on the 3 white lines in the top right corner of the screen and select your activity. Here, scroll down and tap on Reposts. You will now see all the posts and reels you've reposted on Instagram. If you want to remove any repost, simply tap on Select and delete it. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, see you soon.